This is Dave from Mosaic Outdoor Living, and we're just here to talk about ways to improve your outdoor living space for 2024. The number one thing I see when I go to clients' homes is their decks are too small. Just make sure you have at least 12 to 14 feet in depth. That way you have room for table, chairs, loungers. You can walk around it without having to have people get out of their chair so you can go around them. We here in Colorado, we are really close to the sun, and that sun beats down on you in the summertime. There's three things we can do there. Roof. You can expand a roof or put a roof over your deck, which will take that sun exposure off of you, make your deck more usable on a year-round basis, especially in the summertime when it's 100 degrees outside. You don't want to be affected by the sun. Another way you can address the sun is with a pergola. We build a lot of wooden pergolas, require a little bit of maintenance. They should be stained every couple of years or so. That will remove 60-75% of the sun from you. Another great option is an operable pergola. If it's a cool day and you want to open it up and get the sun on you, you can do that. Or you can literally close it if it's too sunny and you want to remove the sun from you. If it's raining, close it up. We sell a lot of glass walls. We call them operable forest walls. We designed them almost 2 decades ago. You can close off your space. It's not an indoor room. It's a really beautiful outdoor space. We get the wind and the rain off of you that comes in from the side of your deck, and you can close your deck on a super windy day, still be able to dine and hang out outside. Heating is the number one thing that'll make your deck usable on a year-round basis, with or without a roof. We have infrared heaters that we use a lot of. You use those in the winter time and on cool days, and it makes your space usable on a year-round basis. If you want something more artistic, we sell a lot of really, really cool fire pits. And we custom make, I'd say about 95% of our fire pits are custom made, because we don't like to do boring here at Mosaic Outdoor Living. We want something that is totally awesome. Fireplaces are also incredible. We'll use those to block the view of a neighbor or maybe a busy street that's in your backyard, side yard. Fireplaces put off heat, not quite as much as a fire pit or the infrared heaters, but they are nice as well. This time of the year, especially, it's getting dark so early. If we install low voltage lighting, it makes your deck a nice, inviting place to go because it's a beautifully lit space. As we move into summer, people start thinking about grilling and cooking. Outdoor kitchens can be used year-round, so we can build in a grill, we can give you a nice prep space. There's outdoor ovens, there's griddles, you name it, we can do it in an outdoor kitchen. Go to coloradodecks.com. We'd love to chat with you.